Over 300 residents in Luzira have received treatment and medical checkup for diseases like diabetes, HIV/AIDS, and high blood pressure, among others, in the medical camp organized by Lions Club International and Kampala Victoria Lions Club. According to the Ministry of Health report on HIV/AIDS, most men don't know their health status in regard to HIV, and that some base their HIV status on their wives, who always go for HIV tests. This was also witnessed at the medical camp, where women embrace knowing their HIV status than it was with men.
Because they discover when they are very sick, and whenever you come to hospital when you are very sick, cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, sometimes it's hard for the health workers to reverse the situation. I urge the men, humbly appealing to the men, please start going to hospital to check for yourselves so that we discover the diseases early and make it easy for the health workers to prevent them.
The medical camp recorded more patients with diabetes diseases, followed by those with high blood pressure.
The types of foods and also the quantities. If you are serving food, you've been to functions where you see people heaping on trays a lot of food which they cannot even probably finish. But the team here is teaching people about the portions of food they can put, but also how to balance carbohydrates with vegetables, proteins, and so forth. They urge people to spare some time and do some exercises. Those in offices, instead of taking, for example, lifts, they can instead take the steps.
The President Kampala Victoria Lions Club, Geoffrey Abongo, highlighted the reasons why they organized the medical camp in Luzira.
Far, what I've seen since morning, the response is very good, and the number is even overwhelming the medical people. Since morning, the line is long, and I think people have realized that health is wealth. That is why even the people who are in the market, they are coming. My message to the people is that as long as we live, we should consider life as being very precious. Even if you are doing business, you only do business when you are still alive. But when you are sick, you may not be able to do business.
Some of the residents who received the treatment and check-up applauded Lions Club International.
Gwomanya nti oline pressure, oline sukali, ate abasoba tugamba ngu endwadde ezo tiziwona. Gwomanya ekyoli awo yongera kuguma